नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम। Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Allah the Almighty has determined some of the facts in this world, and these could not be changed. If a person understands these things, he can keep the direction of his life right on its basis. That is why I have started compiling these in the context of Islamic concepts. May Allah grant me and you the ability to benefit from it. So let's begin. One of the concepts is that Allah has given mankind the authority to choose between good and bad in this world. I have given name to this concept, authority to decide. Allah is the creator of this universe. To run the universe, the Creator has set a life system for every creature to live in this world. Except humans and jinns, all other creatures are taught their way to live, and they are bound to follow the given system of life as they have no other choice. The Creator has also set a life system for humans to live, but they are not bound to follow. Rather, they have been given choice either to follow the system set by Allah, that is to choose good, or go against it and choose bad. Authority to make decision has been given to humans, but to make a right decision, appropriate arrangements have been made by Allah for complete guidance, such as Allah has made the human instinct to distinguish between good and bad, blessed humans with wisdom to judge, sent messengers for conveying messages to humans, revealed holy books. Mankind has been given option to choose a right or wrong path in this world because of a special wisdom. The worldly life is for test of mankind, and the afterlife is a place for recompense. In order to take a test, it is necessary to give an option to choose. Therefore, Allah has given mankind the authority to make decision by selecting from good and bad. Allah Ta'ala made humans the best of creatures and also decided that after coming into existence, humans will remain forever. So when the life of this world ends, they are transferred to the life of hereafter. The stages of the afterlife are also determined, in which the first stage is the grave, then Hashar, then the bridge of Sirat, and in the end heaven or hell. Allah the Almighty has made the life of this world the basis for mankind to achieve success in both the world and hereafter. The answer to the question of how mankind should live in this world has been explained in great detail by giving examples in the Holy Quran. Even in the earlier times, only those people could succeed in the world and hereafter who lived their worldly life according to the path shown by Allah. This rule has been established and valid till the doomsday. Humans have not to use their intellect and other abilities to make a new system of success. Instead, they should strive to understand the system of life defined by Allah and bring it into their practice. Such important and big decisions have to be made by a person himself, because this authority has been given to him by Allah the Almighty. Summary of the concept is that Allah makes mankind to understand what is right and what is wrong in this world, but the decision of which path to follow is left to them. Allah reveals on a person's heart what is good and what is bad, and it is termed as tawfiq. Now, to make a decision and take steps for action is to be done by a person himself. Jazakallahu khair. In the end, once again it is prayed that Allah Ta'ala allow me and you to understand this concept and make the direction of life according to it. Ameen.